If you have a house in Blacklick, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I here at Sell House Columbus have been buying houses in and around Blacklick, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 types of sellers that we see on a day-to-day basis. You let me know in the comments below which type of seller you are. So seller type number 1 is the retail type seller. And these sellers are great. This is where their house is in tip-top shape. The house doesn't need any work. They have all the time in the world to sell the house, and they don't even care if the house sells in a day, a week, a month, a year, or if the house just doesn't even sell at all. And they don't mind foot traffic, so they don't mind multiple inspections or open houses. If that's you, if you're a retail type seller, I'm just going to tell you right now, the best thing for you to do is to list the house with a real estate agent. They're going to do a great job for you. They can do the open houses. They can manage all the walkthroughs and stuff like that. And they're probably going to get you a really good price. Now, you are going to need to pay commissions and things like that. You're going to need to work with a buyer that needs to get approved for a loan and things like that. But if the house is in great condition, you don't care about the time frame on when it sells, working with a real estate agent is probably going to be your best bet. Seller type number 2, and this is the type of seller that we work with frequently, it's the convenience type seller. So this is the type of seller that doesn't want to do any work to the house. Maybe the house needs work, maybe the house needs a little work or a lot of work, or they don't want to do anything. They just want to sell their house in their as-is condition. And we are an as-is type of buyer. What allows us to be an as-is buyer is we're a cash buyer. So we don't need to qualify for a loan. We don't need to qualify for a mortgage or anything like that. We're able to buy the house in its as-is condition. And since we're a cash buyer, we're able to close on the date of your choice. And that makes it very convenient for you. So if you need to move quickly, you need something done quickly, we can accommodate your needs. If you need something more flexible, you want to set a future date, something in alignment with your plans or whatever the case may be, we can close on the date of your choice. It makes it very convenient for you. Seller type number 3 is the situation type seller, and it could be any type of situation. Maybe there's a probate or inheritance type of situation, a divorce, or maybe there's some type of business breakup, or maybe the house is occupied and it's rented out, and maybe you're a landlord that's looking to sell, or maybe the house needs a lot of work or code violations, anything at all. Any type of situation that you have going on with your house in Blacklick, you're going to want to go into the category of convenience. Seek the convenience. I'm here to let you know. That's exactly what we do, and we're going to provide the as-is convenience and close on the date of your choice, regardless of whatever situation is going on for you. We have seen it all. We've been around for a long time. We're here in Central Ohio. There is no situation you might be dealing with that we cannot at least provide options for. So if you have a house in Blacklick, Ohio, you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.